I'm here with Kelly from Solmates, and let me tell you, this has to be one of the most innovative, clever products that I have seen in a very long time. Tell me a little about your little Solmates adventure. I want to know, how did it start? How did you come up with the sunscreen applicator?
Thanks, Anita. Well, we wanted to give people a convenient and easy way to apply sunscreen. So both of us, myself and my co-founder, both have little kids, and we're sick of carrying around the big bulk sunscreen.
Can I tell you something? For me, I've got 4 children, okay? And they range now from the ages of 9 to 17. And my husband and I always tell them at home, make sure, because this is what we have.
Yeah,
honestly, this is what we have, okay? We have more than one of these. So we lather up before we head to the beach. Okay, but the whole thing is we're always looking at the clock.
Yeah.
Because we didn't want to schlep one of these to the beach.
Correct.
And I was always trying to think of a way. And I thought of different travel bottles and stuff like that. But then the whole thing is, again, you have to squeeze it out. So why is this so different? Why is it so unique?
Well, it just means that you can leave your big bottle at home.
Yes.
And you've got a convenient little applicator to carry it to the beach with.
Okay. And well, listen, what's something I love about this as well, which I have realized, it comes with this silicone strap, which you can actually attach probably with a carabiner to the school bag.
That's right. Or
I love that.
Or it just stretches around and you can
see, I can just add something else to my wrist
That's
instead of a hair elastic. And what I thought was very cool about it is that it actually opens, not from the top to refill it, it opens from the bottom.
Correct.
And you've created these little ridges in here, which I absolutely love. I think it's like a secret.
It's little grip to,
it's little grip. So you actually open it up like this.
That's
So I
it.
put in the sunscreen in here.
Correct.
Okay, what other things can you put in it besides sunscreen?
So
let's have a think.
Moisturizers.
Moisturizer.
Heat rub cream, massage.
Oh,
anything like that. So,
and it comes with the inbuilt roller. So then again, you're not having the kids squeeze it out and you can just put it straight on your skin.
Yeah, so not huge application like out of the squirty bottle.
Yes.
They can actually get a nice kind of even.
What are some other elements that really stand out about the Solmate?
So we actually made these from recycled ocean-bound plastic, and we make them here in Australia as well.
So they're Australian-made, and ocean-bound plastic, as we know, means that it didn't even reach the ocean. So it's ocean-bound, so we've got it before it goes into the ocean.
Correct.
And we've been able to recycle and repurpose it straight away.
Exactly right.
How did you come up with the gorgeous colours?
Oh, we were just trying to make fun for everyone, so, and all the parts mix and match as well.
I saw that. So you can do a little
yes.
red and yellow. We got like the surf life-saving colours happening here, so they can take it down to nippers.
Exactly
with them.
right.
I just love the ease that it can be transported. I think that's the real key to being an organised mum. Something like this is going to save so much time every single day, and also going to the beach.
That's exactly right.
Okay, I'll take 6, please.
No worries at all.